So just like I said, the use of Punnett square, this is going to be the female male gamete and female. So I will start picking it one after the other. This is going to be capital letter T, small letter t. We want to cross it with this. When you cross this with this, it's going to be this, this with this one with this, it is going to be this, then this with this, it is going to be this. And you should do well to interpret. This is going to be homozygous tall. This is going to be heterozygous tall. This is going to be hetero tall as well, and this is going to be recessive, which is short. So that by the time you now go with the genotypic ratio, if you have to find the genotypic ratio, this is going to be genotype. This is going to be only this one will be tall, which is 1. Then this is also tall, which is going to be 2. Then this one is represented by recessive. So then the phenotypic ratio now, phenotype, this, and this, they are not going to be different because you are looking at it in the physical phenotype. So this tall and this tall and this tall, so it's going to be 3:1. 3:1. So that is that about the use of Punnett square. Now let's look at use Punnett square to of Mendel, the first law of Mendel, which is this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use both the crossing method, as well as Punnett square. Now, the first thing is that when you cross this with this is tall, this is tall, and this is short. If you cross, so in the gamete, this is the parents. So what the first law is saying is that this one will segregate. So it's going to be like this, capital, then this one too, so that you have it like this. That's why they call it germinal units. So when you are crossing them together, so that you have this with this, it's going to give you this. Then you also cross this with this, it's going to give you this. Then you are going to cross this with this, it's going to give you this. Then this one with this, it's going to give you this. This is regarded as first filial generation. First filial generation are the set of offspring, the first set of offspring that come out or that is being produced directly from the parent. So, and when you look at it, all are going to be tall. All are going to be tall. So, and the first law concerned with, and when you want to get the second filial generation, we are going to cross first filial generation, so that you now pick it. Our F2 is now going to be F1, which is capital heterozygous for this. You cross it with another first filial generation, so that at the end of the day, don't forget that this one will behave as a germinal unit, and it's going to release. This is going to be the parental gamete, which is P1. So this is going to be small. Is going to be capital letter, small letter t. This will be like a gamete. And this, I'm doing this for the sake of explanation. So that at the end of the day, when you now during gametogenesis, that is during fertilization, that means you now cross this with this. is going to be capital letter T, capital letter T. When you cross this with this, you are going to have this. You cross this, you are going to have this. And when you also cross this, you are going to have this.